Good morning, you all. Sorry if you hear the dryer going behind me. I don't know if you'll be able to or not. I just took the dog out and opened the blinds and all that stuff. It is cold outside this morning. I just went out in this. I usually just like go out in my jammies to take her out in the morning if I'm the one taking her outside. It's cold. There's little like frost trying to come up on the grass and I'm like, whew. I don't know if I'm quite ready for this time. I like the fall vibes, but I don't like the cold. I like 65s to 70s. That's like the sweet spot. But in the morning when it's like 20 and 30, oh, it's cold. So another thing on the home front here, the reason I have the dryer going, speaking of Emery, she's doing this cute little thing where every day or every night, I don't even know the time that she's doing it, she's tipping over her water bowl and the water is pouring out, obviously, onto her blanket. And I just don't understand why she's doing that. Somebody please tell me. Is she rebelling? I don't know. I don't understand why she's doing what she's doing. But we've been washing and drying. If it's just water, we just throw it in the dryer to dry it. But I'm washing it all today. I don't know why she's doing that, but it's driving me crazy. But anyway, good morning. Happy Thursday? I think it's Thursday. You all of this with the vehicles have completely like gotten us way out of routine. And if you all know anything about me from watching these videos, I am a very strategic, routined, planned type of person. And my brain is mush because I don't even know what's going on from one day to the next. And I'm struggling, okay? I truly am. We're gonna do a little stay-at-home vlog today. I do have some groceries coming, thank goodness for delivery drivers like myself. I don't even know what people did before we could get our groceries delivered when things like this happen. I guess you call a friend or family member or something, but my goodness, it is such a good thing to have this service. So we have some groceries coming in today, and I'm gonna do some food prep with you all. I'm gonna clean the house a little bit because this evening Lacey and Michael are coming up. I'm gonna cook them dinner because Michael is gonna help John. So John feels pretty positive that he can fix the problem with the Jeep himself. He started working on it yesterday, but there's like some other tools and things that he needs to be able to complete it, I guess. So we got that stuff ordered. And they're gonna work together today on that and hopefully fix it. So I wanna clean up the house a little bit, just straighten things up and make sure it looks good for them to, come a little bit later. And what else is on the agenda? That's really it. I'll just take you along like throughout the day. But I just wanna say like one thing with all of this is, even though it's like totally chaotic and it's gotten us so much out of our routine and it's very overwhelming, we're just thankful that, we're both safe. I didn't go to work on Monday, and I don't know, like, I guess thinking about it now, we're like, something was saying don't go to work on Monday, because this very well could have happened to me while I was using the Jeep while my car is also out of commission. And, with Instacart, I go all over town, so I could have been anywhere at any time and it could have happened to me. So just thankful that I followed my gut and didn't go to work on Monday. And I'm also just super thankful that John was just on a lunch break and just crossing the street to get back to his job rather than being on the interstate going super fast, because the tire just locked up. Like when that happened, it just locked up and the car wouldn't move. So if he had been on the interstate, it could have been a lot worse. So although this is a crazy, crazy time, we're just thankful for, I guess, the events in which they transpired. And we're so thankful for our support system, especially my dad. He helps a lot. He helps so much. And John's family paid for him to get an Uber to work so he's not missing work. And then Michael's going to pick him up later and come to help with the Jeep. And then my mom is going to drive tomorrow for John, because after the Jeep is fixed, it still needs to go get serviced for an alignment. I don't know the details of all of that really, but truly, like, we're so thankful for our support system and our village. Really, it's been crazy, but it's nice to have people to rely on, because life is not always great and perfect. And it's really nice to have the help. So I know that my dad watches all of these videos. So thank you, Dad, for everything that you've done. It will never go unnoticed. It hasn't my 30 years of life, and it's certainly not right now. So yeah, I think that's it for now, you guys. I'll catch you when the food comes in. We'll do a grocery haul, and then we'll get going from there. I changed my mind. Before the groceries come, I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning because I wanna strip our bed and get that going in the washing machine. And then the kitchen is a little bit like, there's just some dishes and things that need to be washed and some that need to be put away. And I'd like to like wipe the surface down before the groceries come. So we're gonna go ahead and do that first.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby.
Oh.
I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places.
Okay, that is it until the groceries come. A couple things I wanted to show you all. You might have seen them already, but my Nana got me these for fall, and I think they're so cute. I love tiny little knick-knack stuff like this, so I just thought it was the best. Oh my gosh, I have to clean this out too. Another thing, you all, these flowers right here are so beautiful, but they create, look, even just doing that, and I just wiped this. One of the flowers is creating these little black, does anybody, flower expert in here, know what these are? They're everywhere. So, oh my gosh, I just did this, and look, they make such a mess. It's a little bit later and the groceries have arrived, so I figured I would give you a grocery haul. We got some of these. These are like nostalgic to me in some way. I don't even remember if we really ate them that much growing up, but for some reason they're nostalgic to me. So we got some of those. Garlic toast, some cheddar and bacon patties. These are $10 for 6. But they're 2 meals for us, 2 separate meals, because we'll just have one with like some potatoes or fries or something. And then I got 2 of these cheese croissants because I'm gonna make us some Spam croissants for breakfast. And then I got some pepperoni. I got 3 of these only because for Michael and Lacey to come tonight, I'm gonna use 2 of these for one recipe. Usually it would just be one for us, you know, but since we're gonna have extra people, I want enough for everybody. Mozzarella cheese, some ground beef, some grape tomatoes. This is a pepper and zucchini, some strawberries, Alfredo sauce. We do splurge on Alfredo sauce because the Rayo's is just so much better for Alfredo. Petite diced tomatoes, French style green beans, corn, kidney beans. Of course, I showed you the Spam, sour cream and chive. I always add butter and sour cream and a bunch of seasonings to these, and they're super good and they're so cheap. And then we got a honey cornbread, some bacon bits, a ranch packet, a chili packet. That's the second Rayo's. I'm going to make the chicken bacon ranch pasta tonight for everybody. Some pasta for that. And then John has been liking the Great Value brand of sodas. He got the, I think it's called Mountain Lightning or something. So I got him the orange one this time. And then I ordered a ground turkey, but it's open right there. And it's like oozing out. So I'll have to contact Walmart about that. Then I got flour, tortillas, hamburger buns, and Mountain Dew Baja Blast, 0 sugar. And that is the haul. I'm going to go ahead and put the groceries away, but I'm going to wait a little bit to do the food prep. We're really just doing the Spam croissants, and then I want to cut up the strawberries because the strawberries get ate a lot faster if we cut them up or if I cut them up. But I'm on a groove with editing right now, so I just want to work on that for a little bit longer, and then I'll catch up with you all and we will do some of that. It's been quite some time, and I think I'm ready to clean. I mean, are you ever really like ready to clean? You know what I mean? But I'm thinking the sooner that I can get everything cleaned, the sooner that I can just like keep working on the computer and doing stuff. I'm trying to finalize like the stuff for the membership that I'm thinking about doing, and then I want to like just change up a couple things, like maybe do an intro and change my outro clip that you all see. So that's just like stuff that I'm working on today when I'm not filming with you all. But I'm so bummed, you guys, because I was going to, remember I was talking about, I guess in the last vlog, about how we were going to go to Dollar Tree and look at the fall stuff and all. I was going to get another cleaner while I was there because this one is running really low. It's getting to the point where like it's not really spraying that well anymore. So I'm super sad about that. But maybe we'll get over there. Hopefully the Jeep will be fixed today and we can get over there sometime this weekend, because that one is, I mean, it has a lot left, so I'll just like pour it out when it gets to that point, but I'm like squeezing it to death trying to get anything to come out. But really the only things that we're gonna need to clean is the bathrooms, both bathrooms. I just want to like wipe it down and clean the toilets and all that fun stuff. And then my sheets are done in the dryer, so we'll put that back on. And then I'm just gonna wipe down like a couple of spaces in the living room, so it's really not gonna take me that long. I think with cleaning, we put it in our heads that it's going to be so much more than it actually is. So let's time it, right? It's 12:26 right now. Let's see when I'm finished.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this.
That is it for the bathrooms except for mopping. It's 1 o'clock. We started at what, 12:26? So 30-ish minutes. That's not too bad. The boys' bathroom is always so bad. To be completely honest, I use the bathroom in our bedroom 99% of the time, and the boys use that one. But when people come over, that's the bathroom that people go to, because then you don't have to go to our bedroom to go to the bathroom. It is always a hot mess in there. Those boys are disgusting. Boys are disgusting. So anyways, done with the bathroom. I'm going to start with the bedroom and putting the sheets back on, and then I'll put these away, and then I think we'll be finished. Oh, wipe down some of the things in the living room.
I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona.
Okay, it's 1:47 and I'm pretty much finished with everything now. There are some dishes still out because the Tupperware needs to like dry on both sides. And then off camera, I cleaned up the nightstands in the bedroom, and then I took the trash out of our small trash cans and replaced those. And that's it. Yeah, I said I was, look, my glasses are fogging up, I'm hot. I said I was going to wipe down everything in the living room. No, babe, I'm not gonna. I wiped down the coffee table, which is where we'll be hanging out, and that's gonna be good enough for me. They literally couldn't care less if any of this was done. I think it's just a me thing. Like, if I know people are coming, look at that, then I like to have the house clean. So to end it off, I'm going to spray this room spray. It's the room and linen spray, Hansel and Gretel's house, that I bought with Mom when we went out that one time. I'm gonna douse my house in this stuff because it smells so good. And then I'm gonna thoroughly wash my hands, and we're gonna go ahead and do the Spam croissants and cut up the strawberries so that we could just be done with it. I was just getting ready to film this, but I don't think I'm going to because my phone is dying. So I'd like to plug it up while I'm doing this and let it charge, because I'm gonna get back to working on the computer once I'm finished. I'm just frying up Spam really. So I'll cut all of the croissants in half, fried up Spam, cut the Spam pieces in half, and then put them on the croissants. So it's not really anything too crazy, but I'll show you when it's done. Here they are all done, you all. They look really good. I'm actually gonna have 2 for lunch right now, along with some of these strawberries I did go ahead and cut up, and I put a little bit of sugar in there too. I need to put these in baggies. I hope that we have enough baggies, but if we don't, then I'll just wrap them in aluminum foil. But while I was doing that, I was thinking, because I always cut up my strawberries and I always put a dash of sugar because that's what my Nana did. And I used to go to my Nana's, like my dad raised me as a single parent, and I used to go to my Nana's every day because he was working. And even when I started school, like after school, I would go to my Nana's. And anytime that she cut up strawberries, she always did it in a bowl. She always put sugar on it, and she always kept it in the fridge. And it's so good that way. And I just was thinking how cool it is that, you know, we truly are so influenced by the people that raise us. And I just think it's so cool. And I hope that one day, you know, I think that I could fairly say I had a part in raising both of my sisters. And I hope that one day they can look back and like be doing stuff like this and think, you know what, like I learned this from Josie, or Josie did this, so this is why I do this. So I don't know. I just thought it was kind of a cool moment to share, just finding joy and happiness in the little things, I guess. Okay, you guys, Lacey and Michael are here. That's Lacey. They're getting started really late on the working on things, so we'll see what they can get done today. Emery said she's ready to try an Alani. I've had these sitting. I went to lunch with my friend Dawn, and she had one of these, and she said, this is nasty. So she said, if you want them, you can have them. It's 8 p.m., by the way.
Literally just turned 8 p.m.
So, ew.
Oh,
It
I'm
stinks.
scared I'm not gonna like it. Ew. It smells like something in like the canned food.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like a canned
It smells,
pumpkin.
yes.
But
But-
I guess I'll try it first.
Okay, go ahead. It kind of smells like wax. Don't know.
Ugh.
Guys, I can't have much of this at all because I can't have energy drinks
You can have
anyway.
like
But
2 sips maybe. I don't know. Like, I like it, but I wouldn't pick that over over the witch's brew.
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't know if y'all have had witch's brew, but it's the best.
yeah,
ever.
it's so good. Yeah, I don't know. It's not I mean, it
Yeah.
doesn't like make me want to vomit or nothing.
Like
but-
if I had that at work, I would drink it, but if I had other options, I wouldn't pick it.
Yeah, but it's a cute little treat to try, I guess. It does give, like people have said, it gives like artificial pumpkin,
Yeah.
and it does give artificial pumpkin.
Uh,
But I don't know. It's okay. I'm gonna take, I guess, one more sip. I don't know. Maybe
that's like a 4.
yeah, about the same.
Yeah.
Might be in the
5.
middle for me.
5.
Yeah.
I feel like I say that for everything I try, but it's true. It's just like meh.
I don't know. Yeah, absolutely not
Maybe
my
make
favorite.
Michael try this.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go
He'd be
make
like-
Michael try it. Oh, you guys want to come? Let's just take
Yeah.
it.
Working hard.
Working hard. Oh, he's got the flashlight on the head.
Yeah, headlamp.
He's legit.
There's Lena. Hold on. He'll be alright.
First reaction.
It's yummy.
So good.
Pumpkin green.
Pumpkin green.
Pumpkin green.
Do I need to turn the wheels back?
It's pumpkin cream.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh.
Oh,
I like that.
you like it?
I like that.
Huh.
But it's sweet to me. That's
Just coming on to do an outro for this vlog. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. I'm getting ready to start another one now. And I'm going to be going out a little bit in the next one. So that'll be nice. But I really hope you all enjoyed this one. I'm sorry it had to take, a little detour this week, but hopefully it was motivating at the least to watch me clean my house, and hopefully you all had fun just hanging around. If you like vlogs like this, I'd love if you would consider subscribing to the channel. I'm getting closer to 2,000 subscribers, and that's super cool. I'm always like so thankful for every single one of you that decide to stick around and watch more content of mine. So thank you so much. I will catch you in the next one.